How's it going, everybody? Another $2 break. 2019 Leaf ITG Sports game used. Top left and bottom right. Just 4 remaining. I'm just gonna stack them right there. There's one. And your second one. Trying to put 2 bottoms. That didn't work. There we go. Okay, we got ourselves Michael Jordan, Bob Hayes, Stevie Yzerman, and Rickey Henderson to kick it off. All-time enshrined, 10 out of 30. Little 2-color action on the Henderson, everything else napkins. Phenoms, Allen Iverson, Randy Moss, Mike Piazza, and Eddie Belfour. 12 out of 30 blue, 4 sport phenoms. Huh. Interesting. That one's blue out of 30, so back-to-back blues out of 30. Man, really nice patch on the way. Magic Johnson and Jim Brown. God, they have the most random guys here, but obviously connected with the number. It's pretty neat. So Magic and Jimmy Brown, 3 out of 8. Legendary numbers. That's the purple parallel. Crazy patch. This is numbered 1 of 5, bro. The Art of Sport. Shaquille O'Neal. Game used. If I didn't know any better, I would say that's a Magic patch on the right, Lakers in the middle, and obviously Lakers on the left. 1 out of 5 pink. Dude, that's a beauty of a card. Shaquille O'Neal. I know, I think that's hilarious. And they called the set The Art of Sport. And they used one of the worst free throw form pictures. I mean, he's got the worst form of all time. If not, top 5 worst form of all time, I'd say. That's pretty funny. It's really funny, actually. All right, 3 cards left, buddy. Ricky, Schmidt, Reggie, Brett, Eddie Murray, and Carlton out of 20. Couple pinstripes on there. Fantasy baseball leaders. Numbered out of 20. Nice card. Over here, the greatest of all time, this is called. Okay. Numbered out of 35 blue, so this is the highest numbered parallel, and it's got some nice patches. Brett Favre, Ken Griffey Jr., Lionel Messi, Ronaldinho, Shaquille O'Neal, Mario Lemieux, Mike Tyson, and Ichiro. And they actually used photos of the guys, too. That's big. Hell of a lot better than the plain jerseys. Sharp card, greatest of all time. Let's see, who can we argue here? Favre, probably not the best quarterback of all time. There's that fella named Brady. Griffey, probably the greatest center fielder of all time, not named Trout. Messi, I don't know a damn thing about soccer. Ronaldinho, same thing. Shaq, in my book, greatest big man of all time. Lemieux, I don't know enough about hockey. Ichiro, I'll give the greatest right fielder of all time. Mike Tyson, nah. He's not the greatest boxer of all time. Most powerful, sure. Not the greatest boxer. Willie's in there too? Who you taking? You got Griffey, Trout, and Mays. Who are you taking? Honestly. Who isn't taking Trout? That's a better question. Gibson, Nolan Ryan, and the Rocket. The Ryan Express and the Rocket. 3 out of 3 red. That is sick. Nolan Ryan, 2-color. Clemens, 3-color. Got a little bit of gray in the corner. Gibby Ryan and the Rocket. Another nice one. Okay, we got 2 left. That is a crazy giant patch. And you've got McCovey, Perez, Pete Rose. It's got to be Frank Robinson. That is a name that I am not pulling off the top of my extensive baseball memory. Obviously, Reggie Jackson. Frank Robinson, Tony Perez, Pete Rose, and Willie McCovey. Who is the white? The triple color. Yankee jersey. Number 6? Am I going to hate myself for not knowing this? All-Star Game history. It is the 1969 All-Star Game. White. Let's flip it over and see. Joe's saying Frank White. Roy White. Okay, I don't feel bad. Who the hell's Roy White? I know who he was. He was a Yankee All-Star in 1969. Crazy patchwork on that. That's numbered to 7, Timmy. For the 1969 All-Star Game. Gorgeous. Okay, you got a Pete Rose auto out of 7. Probably should have slow-rolled that a little bit. That's an awesome card. Game-used jumbo swatch with ink. It's a 2 out of 7 on the Pete. And what do we have here? Numbered out of 5, I think. 2 out of 6. Not who I thought. Mark Gastineau. Number 99, jumbo patch. Mark Gastineau. Old school Jet. Gorgeous card. I just don't know who he is. Heard the name, though. Mark Gastineau. There you go. That was another 2, brother. There's 4 left. If you want to do them, let me know. If not, no worries. They'll live to die another day. Gonna kill the case? I had a feeling you might, buddy. I'll give you another discount. I'll text you what to send in. Hold on a second. Send you a text real quick. Yeah, what was your pick? Or send you a text. Just texted you, Timmy. 2 down. So bottom left. Okay, cool. We'll do that one last. Alright. I just texted you. Just let me know when you're ready. Rocking some eBay offers here. No problem, buddy. Let's. I agree. It'll be real fun.